Welcome back. Let's look at logarithm of a quotient. The logarithm of a quotient is the difference of logarithms. The logarithm of a quotient is the difference of logarithms. What is a quotient? The quotient is the answer we get when we divide. Like here we have x divided by y. That's a quotient. Logarithm of x divided by y to base a is equal to logarithm of x to base a minus logarithm of y to base a. Please take note, the logarithm of the denominator is subtracted from the logarithm of the numerator. The denominator is y, and then the numerator is x here. So logarithm of y to base a is subtracted from logarithm of x to base a. Please take note of that. For example, we can say log of 5 divided by 2, this can be base 10, is log 5 minus log 2, like that. Log of 8 to base 2 minus log 4 to base 2. This is equal to log of 8 divided by 4 to base 2. Remember, you have to move from this to this and also from this to this. Okay, so 8 divided by 4 is 2, so we have log 2 to base 2, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 1, because we said that log of a to base a is equal to 1. Okay, this also can be simplified in a certain way. It's on that we haven't done the logarithm of a power here. But using the logarithm of a power, you can also simplify this, because you'll be having log 8 is like 2 to the power 3 to base 2 minus log 4 is like 2 squared to base 2, like that. I'm going to show you in the next tutorial. The logarithm of a power is the product of the exponent and the logarithm. So here the exponent is 3, so it will be 3 times logarithm 2 to base 2 minus the exponent here is 2, it's going to be 2 times logarithm of 2 to base 2. But we're going to deal with this in the next tutorial. Right, log 2 to base 2 is 1, so it's like 3 times 1 here, minus log 2 to base 2 is also 1. You see that? And then we just have 3 minus 2, which is 1. We're getting the same answer as this. Okay, but we're going to deal with this concept in the next tutorial. Let's look at this example. Log of 6 to base 10 is equal to x, and then log of 3 to base 10 is equal to y. Determine the value of log 2 to base 10 in terms of x and y, right? How can we get 2 from 6 and 3? We have to say 6 divided by 3. So we can say log 2 is equal to log 6 divided by 3, isn't it? Okay, and then log 6 divided by 3 will be log of 6 minus log of 3. Okay, and then log of 6 is what? Is x. So this is x, and then minus log of 3 is what? Y. Okay, this is log of 2 in terms of x and y.